So this is a quick little inspirational video in case you need an idea of something to code to help yourself learn. These little colorful boxes up here, they're called waffles. You can import them from GUI 0. So it'd be like from GUI 0 import waffle. They're squares. You can make them circular. You can make them bigger, smaller, what have you. You can make them any color you like. This is what a line would look like in your code. So you can name it whatever you want. I just took this from some code that I had. I don't want to show you the code because I want you to do it yourself, and then just kind of help yourself learn. You can change the height, the width. The padding is how far in between each waffle, like how much distance you want in between each little square. And the dim, right now the dim is 40, so it's just the size of the like the waffle itself. And then you can change the colors, like I said. So in this, the gauge goes up to 400, so it goes from 0 to 400 pretty evenly. So if the number is greater than 100, then this green block will light up. If it's greater than let's see, 100, 200, then this one will light up. Greater than 300, then this one will light up. You can make this bigger or smaller. You can. So the height and the width, it's like a grid. So the height is 1, so that means it's only one row across. The width is 4. I'm sorry, it's only one row, and then the width means there's like 4 columns. You can make that 6 by 6 or whatever. You make it longer, shorter. But I made this into a gauge. I thought it was fun. So in case you need an idea, you can make this.